folks. Today we discussed about the filtered context in DAX. So to work on filter context in DAX, I'm taking a table which is a superstore data, which is orders table also, you can call it as, which is having category, subcategory, segment, region wise, sales, customer name, sales, and profit discount. So these are the things I have in this table. So here I'm showing you how the filter context will work when you created DAX queries. So let me create one DAX query I'm creating a new measure using DAX queries. So I'm finding a total sales here. Okay, so I'm renaming the name as, so I'm creating a total sales, which is equals to, so to find the total sales, we have aggregate function, which is sum of your table name and the column name we have is sales. So I'm commenting it. Okay. So let me take a card visual to represent the total sales. I'm taking a card. So I'm giving the total sale that we find it for DAX queries. That is a new measure. So I'm in it. So it's showing me the value in the million. I don't want in million. So I want to format this. So I'm going to format my calculate value. I want it in display units in thousands. So I'm making it thousands. Okay. Okay, fine. You find the total sales. Fine. Some client will come you. They want it as they want it for each category wise. How you will do that? For each category wise, they want the sales. So again, you can't go and create a new measure, filtering the things, right? So rather to do that, we can take a visual. So here I'm taking a matrix for the first. So here the filter context is category wise. So first I'm taking category. Then I'm taking your total sales for columns. You can see the visualization here. It giving you for each category. So we have three categories. One is furniture, office supplies, and technology. For the each category, what are the sales you got it? It's showing you here. This is the one filter context. How it's working. It's same like if I take a filter here. Let me take filter. So I will put category here. Okay. So if I click on the furniture, this your calculated measure, it's showing the value of a total sales which is done by furniture category, correct? Yes. So if I click on office supplies, it's showing you for office supplies how much total sales you got it. And if you click on technology, so it's showing for the technology how much sales you got it. So how it will be working in a backend, the DAX with a filter context. It's a fastest engine. Okay, so if I go to table view, first it will go to the sales. Okay, it's find the sales here. Okay, it got it. So it will not only find the sales because here we have filter. So what it will do? It will go to category thing here. So it will filter the things here. So first, if you want it, before it will be of every category, right? It will be having office supplies, and furniture and technology. So in category, it will come and it will filter the context. If you want it for only the furniture, so it will filter to furniture. Okay. So we have around 9,994 rows for the furniture things. It will come and it will only sum the sales of only the furniture. But it will take only fraction of nanoseconds to do this. Okay, here the total sales for furniture, you can see here. For the furniture, we are getting 7 lakh 42 something, 7 lakh 41,999. So this is a total sales from the furniture. If you want it for office supplies, so if you want it both furniture and office supplies, so this is the total sales from both furniture and office supplies. How it will be giving you this value in a fraction of second? In the table view, it's just filtering the things. So first it will find the sales, then it will go to category. So now it found that it want to filter both the things, means furniture and also the office supplies to sum the sales. So it will filter furniture and office supplies both. Then it will go to sales and it will sum the sales of only the furniture and office supplies. This is how filter context will work in the backend. We are taking so much time to filter the things, but the DAX engine that you are working on, it will take a nanoseconds to do filtering and summing the sales. Okay. This one I showed it for only one filter context. Let me take your manager want another filter context, like they want to know region wise also. So category wise also and region wise also. So in this table, let me take a region. Okay. You can see here, and this we got to know. Let me remove the filters. Okay. So in this table, matrix table, we have a first filter is category wise, your furniture, office supplies, and technology. And your second filter is central, east, south, west, which is a region wise. So you're getting category wise, region wise, what are the sales you got it. So let me take a filter here. Filter, slice. I will put region there. So I got the region. Now, your query will be, they want to know from the furniture, from the east region, how much sales we are getting. You can see in this table itself, from the furniture, from the east, you are getting the sales of 208, around 2,08,291. Correct? So I want this value. So how it will be working in a filter context? If I click on the filter, so I want to know from the furniture and from the region east. So you are getting a 2,88,291. How it will be working? So here I have two filters, right? So if you go to table view, first it will go to sales, it will find the sales, then it will go to category. So it will make a filter, only furniture I want it. So it will filter to furniture, click on OK. Then after this, it will have another one filter which is region wise. So I want to know from the east only. Again, it will go to region. It will filter based on east region. Click on OK. So you can see here, from the furniture from the east region, we are having total sales. It will add all the sales from the filter context of your category furniture and the region east, not other region, not other category. This is how backend filter will work. So, but in our report view, it's a fraction, nanoseconds, right? If you have a more table also, it's taking around 2-3 seconds to get a value for each category wise, region wise sales. This is how filter context is working with your DAX queries. So we're done with the filter context of DAX. Thank you, everyone.